Alright, I am going to get the birds up. Put the ultra light on here that I put full spectrum bulbs in. And here's my new bird room. Nothing fancy.
Good morning.
But here's the birds before I uncover them. Contras is moving his thing. Good morning. She's peeking out the window. There he is. Good morning, C. Morning, baby.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mufasa. Are you ready to come out? I usually just open it a little, and then he pushes it open. Come here, baby. Come on. Good boy. And we walk into the kitchen and put him on his stand, because he doesn't potty in his cage, so he holds it all night long, and then it's really gross in the morning. And here's Tango. Tango's a sun conure. If I can get him undone. Good morning, Tango. Hi, baby. Come here. Oh, maybe.
Good morning.
My birds don't spend much time in their cages. They're usually on the play stand. They sleep in their cages and go in there for gone. That's about it. Are you going to look outside? There's not much out there. And Mufasa, who keeps saying good morning. Usually he sings it.
Meow.
Meow. Are you a kitty? Are you a kitty this morning? Good morning. You want some breakfast? Ah, you see I have the camera, so you're not going to say anything. Mufasa bird. Good morning. How are you? Mufasa. Oh, you little snot. And Wiki. Whoops. Wiki is a severe macaw. Good morning. Hi, pretty girl. Good morning, baby. Oh, are you stretching those wings? Are you stretching those wings? Good morning. Wiki's daddy's bird. She'll come to me, but she prefers daddy. Hey, Dingo. You want to dance? Tango, can you dance? Tango, dance. Good birdie. Come here, Mufasa. You come out? Come on. Oh, Michael just got out. Meow. Why are you being a kitty this morning? Come on. You gonna come out? I do use a glove because he likes to bite, and he doesn't seem to mind the glove. So I'd rather not get bit. Good morning. You want to go to your stand?
Good morning.
Come on.
Good morning, Tina. Mommy.
What?
What? You going to tell C good morning? Say good morning.
Good morning, Congo.
And here's our tree stand. We just hung this, and he loves going up there.
What?
If my phone would focus.
Good morning.
Good morning. And there's our tree stand. It's really huge. And now he's gonna
And we hang
chill
that
out.
on the hill.
We'll go back in and get Tango. Oh, Wiki came out. Hi, baby. Hi, Wiki bird. Tango, stop that. Come here. Come here. Say hi. He's a pretty bird. Tango and Mufasa have become friends lately, which is surprising because Mufasa is usually the bully.
Ah, scare me.
What?
Here you go.
Mom, scare me.
In the sun, my phone don't focus very good. Oh, there's Mufasa. He climbed all the way to the top. You want some breakfast?
Time for your ball.
Mufasa bird, you want some breakfast? It's Tango trying to figure out if he can get up there. Mufasa, you want some breakfast? Mufasa. Hey, you want some breakfast?
You want some breakfast?
You want breakfast?
Want breakfast?
Oh, he's not going to say it. You're not going to say it because I want you to, huh? There's my baby. My buddy. Where are you going? You want to fly? Excuse my messy kitchen. Whoa, buddy. Where'd you fly to? Huh? Come here. Come on. Good boy. Where are you going? You don't want to go on your stand? Huh? Silly bird. Are you silly bird? What's the big idea? Huh? Gachos. Oh, Cassidy's up.
Good morning.
Good morning. He tells her good morning. Contras. What's with this trying to fly away from me thing? Huh? Here. Hey, stop it. You want some breakfast?
You want some breakfast?
You want some breakfast?
You want some breakfast?
Mufasa bird.
Rock bird.
Oh, you're not going to say it, are you? You say goodbye.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning. Goodbye.
Tango.
Usually if I get my purse or get my shoes on, he'll start saying it. But since I'm not doing that, he knows I'm not going nowhere. Goodbye.